AIDS, it is otherwise known as the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is caused by a virus known as HIV virus. The other name of HIV virus is human immunodeficiency virus. It is a virus which attacks the immune system. If left untreated, it can lead to AIDS, which weakens the body's ability to fight infection and diseases. HIV, it targets the body's white blood cells, which weakens the immune system, and this makes it easier to get sick with diseases like tuberculosis, herpes infections, and some type of cancer. If HIV isn't treated, it can take years before it weakens the immune system. There is no cure for HIV, but medicines can control the infection and keep the disease from getting worse. HIV is primarily transmitted through semen, body fluids, and through breast milk. The most common way HIV is spread through unprotected sex and from a mother to the child during pregnancy. HIV can also be transmitted through sharing of contaminated needles and by receiving unsafe injections. And it can also be transmitted through blood transfusion and medical procedures that will involve unsterile cutting or piercing. People cannot become infected with HIV through day-to-day ordinary activity like handshaking, hugging, or by sharing personal care products. The symptoms of HIV, they vary depending upon the stage, and also it varies from individual to individual. HIV, it spreads more easily in the first few months after a person is infected, but many are unaware of their status until the later stage. In the first few weeks after being infected, people may not experience any symptoms. Others may have illness like fever, headache, rash, sore throat. The infection progressively weakens the immune system. This can cause other signs and symptoms like swelling of lymph nodes, weight loss, diarrhea, and cough. Without treatment, people living with HIV infection can also develop severe infection like tuberculosis, cryptococcal meningitis, several bacterial infections, and some type of cancer can also occur to them. The early diagnosis is the key to live a long and a healthy life with HIV. The early you know your status, the sooner you can start your treatment, which can help manage the virus and prevent it from spreading. HIV can be prevented by practicing safe sex, getting tested early, and knowing the status. If you are living with HIV, take antiretroviral therapy as prescribed can help you prolong your life and prevent transmission to others. Knowing your health status is empowering. Testing is quick, confidential, and can make a big difference in your health.